In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the bear and bull tie in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The important part is simply having the main chart window visible so we can access the indicator menu. Now, look towards the top of your chart for the button labeled Indicators. This is where all the built-in indicators, community scripts, and your saved tools are stored. Go ahead and click on Indicators. When you do, a new window or panel will pop up, usually centered over your chart, showing several tabs and a search bar at the top. Once that panel is open, move your cursor to the search box at the very top of the Indicators window. This is the quickest way to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through long lists. Click inside the search box so it's active and ready for typing. Now, start typing the name bear and bull tie. Type it slowly and clearly so TradingView can filter the results as you go. As you begin entering the name, you should see the list below the search field start to update and narrow down. Keep an eye on the list for the bear and bull tie entry to appear. Depending on how it's categorized, it may show up under built-in indicators or community scripts, but the search bar will bring it to the top once the name is matched closely enough. When you see bear and bull tie in the results, hover over it and click on it once. As soon as you click, TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. You should notice new visuals, signals or markings that are specific to that indicator now overlaid on your price action. At this point, you can customize the settings if you want. Just move your mouse over the indicator name that appears at the top left of your chart, then click the settings icon next to it. Here, you can usually adjust things like colors, line styles, or other options specific to the bear and bull tie, so it fits your trading style and is easy to read. Finally, if you're not already on TradingView Pro and you want access to the same layout and tools I'm using, check out my affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it makes sure you get set up on the correct pro plan for these kinds of indicators.